Welcome to a quick intro for our Collision Core color retrieval system. Our landing page is very simple and allows you to search either a paint code or a manufacturer paint name. Let's start by searching for YZ paint code for a Ford. Now we must select the make of this paint code. If we scroll down, we can see different makes and if that paint code is used for wheels, trim, etc. Let's select Ford. Now we will select what year this color was for. Now we select the make. Let's choose a Bronco. Now that we selected the year, make, and model, we now must choose what product the customer wants mixed. Now we can see all formulas for that code's year, make, model, and line of product. You will see different variants for that color. Standard will be the most common. Now we select which formula we would like. Once we have decided what formula we would like, we now can click Make a Batch. Now, we will fill in our amount. We can adjust our unit sizes if needed. It ranges from ounces up to gallons. We also have the option for a mix ratio. If the customer wanted the product ready to spray, you will see multiple reducer speeds, so choose accordingly. If you would like to attach a name or invoice number to reference later, you can add that to the order number box. Now we select Create Batch. Once the batch is created, we will select it in our list of batches. The recent batches can be accessed through the home page with the Recent Batches button. Now we can either print a label or page to mix our batch from. Or if you have a scale, we can send this batch to the scale for mixing. Now you are all ready to mix paint. Thanks for watching.